Hey guys, so Palantir officially announces their government contract with the U.S. Army. Because of this, I am expecting another pretty solid run up. I did buy a 10K position on this one. As you guys know, I did have a 20K position, I think like a couple of weeks back, and I sold it off because I was actually getting scared of getting margin called. But this news is too good to not pass up. So I did put 10K on Palantir just today. If it drops down, I will be adding to this position. I do have my big C position at like 40K. The more it recovers, the more I'm probably gonna add to this. So I probably am gonna start selling off my big C position only if I am in profit, or once I am in profit, I'm adding it into Palantir for long term. So I will be holding RKT, Palantir, and I think as of probably tomorrow, I will be also doing Funko, and I still think Funko is headed straight to $9.